You've put me off now. Right, anyway, essentials, that's where you normally are, or normally you can be in the film strip. What you need to do is select the images you want to put on the contact sheet, then turn from film strip to output. And those images are still selected. What you do then is you go to this side here and you start working on here. So the document we want, we'll make it, it's a bit like when you create a new file for Photoshop. And you can decide whether you have it landscape or portrait. Then if you move down, this is where it gets interesting, because you can select how many you want per column and everything. So check how many images you've got. I've got 9 selected. So how am I going to fit this on an A4? 3 by 3. Excellent. Right. Use auto spacing. That will probably cram them a bit more together. So it means that it gives you bigger images. Use rotate for best fit, so that again it uses less space, or wastes less space. And then what you do, very simple, press refresh. In the old days, before CS4, you had to go through the whole process of making a contact sheet to realize that it was wrong. It was quite painful. So that's a preview of what I'm going to get. So if I'm happy with that, then I press save. And I'm going to name it Henley Students at Work, because that's exactly what it is. And I'll put it somewhere a bit safer than this. Yep. Okay. The other things you can do with this is you can give titles. There's a header and footer thing here. So if you want to add a header, like if you want to put like a title to your contact sheet, call it Henley, and when I refresh the view, it will appear there as a title. Gosh, even the printer's faster today. It's here, right? You can make it as big as you want. You can put a watermark on it, you can put a playback, whatever. Also, you can get rid of the text. When you get rid of the text, it takes less space as well. It's somewhere in there. Okay, so that's my tutorial for a good contact sheet.